Well, hey everyone, I'm Shirish and welcome back to my channel. Well, the world is big and most people are different from each other. With differences come conflicts, and while each person's legal situation is different, there are times when you really should hire a legal expert to solve those differences fairly. In fact, failing to work with the legal system in certain instances can lead to broken agreements, lost claims, or even prison time. Well, to ensure near perfect working of the society, the legal system comes into play. So, we are going to talk about one such profession in demand today, which is lawyer. But before I begin this video, I know it could be really confusing on selecting the right career for yourself. And a lot of people they struggle with it, but you don't have to. Well, I have created a very powerful workbook for you based on my very special 4D career development model that can literally save you a ton of hours and most importantly, will save you from a lot of stress. It's one guide you must have for your career development. And you can download this guide for free by clicking on the link in the description box. For this video, well, I will talk about 5 key points. Number 1 would be, what is this career in law? Second would be, what is the future scope and job opportunities in this career? And then we'll talk about skills required to be a lawyer, then roles and responsibilities, an ideal workday in lawyer profession, and then complete roadmap on how to build your career in law. Well, let's roll this episode. Hi, I'm Shirish Gupta, and I empower people to hack their success, rise above the challenges, and confidently create an extraordinary life they deserve. Lawyers are people who practice law as advocates or attorneys. Lawyers are the backbone of our society. They promote social peace by applying law in the way that reacts to basic requirements like justice, which means they work closely together across disciplines such as police and courts, but also corporates or companies where clients can find out more about what's going on at any given time, because lawyers offer them comfort when following life goals or professional goals, knowing someone is at your back. But there are different lawyers who choose different specialization in the field of law. While some lawyer prefers litigation, others prefer to practice corporate law. Here are some of the popular law specializations to choose from. Some of them are civil law, real estate law, corporate law, criminal law, administrative law, tax laws, family law, cyber law, animal rights, law, consumer protection law, intellectual property law, environmental law, labor law, and human rights. There is a difference between lawyer and advocates. Lawyers are anyone who has graduated from law school but not passed the bar exam. Advocates, on the other hand, can act as legal representatives and have successfully completed their training process with guidance from more experienced attorneys through court-mandated clinics or workshops designed to prepare them for this task. All advocates are lawyers, but not all lawyers are advocates, though many use the term interchangeably. Now let's understand more about this career with the future scope, salary offer, top companies hiring for lawyers. The world in which we live in is full of action and decisions, considered as right or wrong. The rules deem some acts right and wrong, but then they also deem different action of culture and morality in this manner. The confusion and debatable scenarios quickly become known because of these different laws and opinions. Society's rules are put in place to ultimately secure citizens. The role of a lawyer is to help maintain them. Along with that, it brings a lot of benefits too. First is security. Having lawyers in any society brings about a sense of security in the society. Some discussions with your counsel will be private, ensuring a prosecutor under the professional legal network cannot discuss the case with anyone without your consent, including the police or the trial. The profession, being an important one, brings a sense of professional security to the person as well. The other thing is a very respectable job. Lawyers are considered an integral part of the society. Lawyers work as consultants to their customers, educating them on their freedoms, legal processes, and encouraging them to manage the sometimes complicated legal system. The professional career comes with respect from society. The next one is future scope. Without counsel and professional legal network, people would need to study the law and previous judicial decisions to learn how those decisions are made and comprehend how those judgments and laws apply to the situations. The next benefit is intellectually challenging. Another one of the many benefits of being a lawyer is mental stimulation an attorney experiences when working through complex legal theories and cases to find a solution to legal question. It helps in developing mental skills through regular mental simulation. Most lawyers possess exceptional analytical skills, including reading and writing skills. Well, after benefits, let's discuss future scope and why it is an important career field in the years to come. Well, a law career is considered one of the stable careers in our society. Without a question, they are here to stay for long. A law student can choose to practice law as an advocate, which is the most traditional and conventional path to building a career in this field. One can work for the law firm and work for multiple companies and clients. Some of the major roles that you can get after a bachelor's or a master's degree are advocate, legal associate, associate attorney, criminal lawyer, corporate lawyer, real estate lawyer, magistrate, legal advisor, legal analyst, judiciary, and many more. Most firms and larger corporations have in house legal teams that require regular graduates no matter what the specialization field is. Companies that offer job in these roles are Thomson Reuters, Axiom Law, IBM, Google, Government National and State Orders, Luther and Luther office firms, economic law practice, and many more. Many prefer their own practice as well after registering for the bar examination. When we talk about the average salary for a lawyer these days in the job market, an entry level would be about 8 to 12 lakhs in India. Worldwide, lawyers made a median salary of over $125,000, and the best paid 25% made about $200,000. Well, other factors that impact salaries include experience level and educational background. Now that we know there's a huge growth in law career, let's explore skills required and job responsibilities and an ideal workday in this profession. A lawyer provides counsel and represents businesses, individuals, and government agencies in legal matters and disputes. A lawyer's main duties are to uphold the law with protecting a client's right. There are certain skills set that one should have to execute the role efficiently. These core competencies include the following. Number one would be analytical and research skills. Lawyers rely heavily on their ability to perform deep research into topics related to cases they work on. Additionally, the ability to analyze details, certain information, infer context from clients and witnesses, and other analytical applications are necessary as a lawyer. Next one is attention to detail. A high attention to detail is highly important for lawyers, no matter their field of law practice. Lawyers work with diverse clients across many types of law practices, and these professionals rely on their attention to detail to spot inconsistencies in clients' cases, obscure witness information, or other types of data related to the projects they work on. So attention to detail is important. Next is organization skills. Client records, important documents, and other records are a regular aspect of the profession. Many lawyers find methods for keeping their important documents and information organized and may often use computer applications to help them keep track of schedules, appointments, hearing, and other job-related events. Time management, absolutely important. So in addition to scheduling and keeping track of time spent on clients, it is important to efficiently dedicate time to different tasks at job. For example, researching, compiling paperwork, or gathering information. Next is persuasive communication. Attorneys commonly apply persuasive techniques in their job on a frequent basis, especially court lawyers. Persuasive communication requires the ability to relate to others, find their pain points, and apply methods for solving cases and achieving success. So that's an important skill. The next one is written and communication skills. Lawyers perform many different tasks throughout their workday, and strong written and verbal communication is a highly desirable trait in this profession. Legal writing, documenting caseload and casework, writing query letters, letters on demand, and other applications are several writing tasks you will perform. And if you're somebody who's performing in court, verbal communication is very important. Next is interpersonal skills. Lawyers interact and work with a variety of diverse clients and professions. Therefore, it's highly advantageous to have strong interpersonal skills, including empathy and the ability to connect with others. Additionally, interpreting emotions, providing support, and helping resolve conflict are some of the skills that lawyers commonly rely on when working with their clients. The last one is financial skills. Well, many lawyers are increasing their financial literacy skills, especially professionals who start their own private firms after their education. Well, after skills, now let's talk about roles and responsibilities in an ideal workday for a lawyer. Lawyers use their knowledge of the law to help clients understand and navigate legal matters. While their roles and responsibilities may vary depending upon the area of expertise, most lawyers perform the following duties. Major role is to prepare legal documentation and filing them with the appropriate courts and authorities, attending trials and hearings with clients and collaborating with police and investigators, and building cases for trials and mediations. Reviewing a case and suggesting legal options for clients. Presenting argument in favor of the client in front of the judge are some of the main duties of the lawyer. Apart from these, keeping clients in the loop and acting as per their interest, conducting legal research for each case, managing relationships, and collaborating with co-counsels are also some of the areas lawyers they work in. Well, after this, now let's look into the most curious section on how to pursue this career with complete step-by-step roadmap for school students, college students, and professionals who wish to switch or enhance skills for better roles. Well, if you're a high school student, having a bachelor's degree comes first. Lawyers need to meet the minimum education requirements and pass certain industry exams to practice law. Well, if you're a high school student and you are looking for a law career, make sure it is not coming after watching TV shows such as Suits. Well, this is so very common in my counseling sessions that high school students talk about law career and mostly it is coming from watching Suits or other law related TV shows. Well, please don't do that. Do your thorough research. Make sure to understand the law career first. I would say go to the courtroom first and experience it yourself. If you're not looking for litigation but as corporate advisory or non-court advisory, learn more about law career. I would highly advise you to take up online courses, and I have listed some most amazing courses in law in the description box. So pursue these short-term courses to understand the career first. Talk to a lawyer and ask more about the career. In short, be active in understanding the career before declaring you want to be a lawyer from TV shows or from your friends. In general, here are the basic steps to become a lawyer. First one is bachelor's degree or JD degree. You may be eligible to study law if you complete your higher education, which is 12th grade, from a recognized school. Students of any stream, including science and arts, are able to enroll in bachelor's program. You need to pursue an integrated LLB course such as BA LLB or BSc with any specialization like management, politics, policy. Some universities offer 5-year programs, which is one of the options among many options available with the faculty. If you're already pursuing bachelor's degree, make sure to participate in moot courts. Along with it, make sure to take up internships in different fields like internship with a lawyer, with courtroom appearances, with a judge, or even with a corporate firm to understand different aspects of law career. Also take up online courses to enhance your skills, and you can find some amazing courses that I have shortlisted for you in the description box. Once you graduate, you need to pass the bar examination or the legal examination so that you can practice. As soon as you have completed the bachelor's degree, you become eligible to pursue a career in law. One important thing, law is different in different countries, so make sure that you need to pass the bar exam of that specific area or a country in order to receive your license to practice law. The next one is to pursue masters in law. When it comes to masters, most law masters are specialization. For admission into law schools, sometimes some colleges, they need entrance examination like LSAT. Well, after getting a competitive score, you can send a direct application for law school. There is no restriction in studying law in any country, but you have to understand the law and legal regulation of every country is different. And if you're planning to pursue law in that particular area, only then you should pursue it there. A lot of universities are offering a lot of programs that can educate you to be in the field of law. Some such universities of the top of the world are Howard University, Columbia University, USC, Georgetown University, Duke University, University of Toronto, Waterloo, UBC, University of Oxford, Cambridge, National Law School in Bangalore, IIT Kharagpur, and many more. Well, if you're looking for a program that will teach you skills in the field of education, then I recommend taking some time to examine each university's curriculum. Or if you're unable to do the research by yourself, don't worry, we're here for you. You can contact me or my team, and we can help you step by step in getting you or your child ready for this career. Well, now let's talk about professionals. Lawyers, they work in many sectors. If you are in a sector already, it'll be easier for you to switch careers soon. But the main focus point is the bar license. You cannot practice law without proper education or bar license. So to start it, you must get a minimum of a bachelor's degree for pursuing the law. You need proper motivation and correct guidance to do it right. So if you want to switch into this field in the middle of your career, the knowledge and interest always comes first. If you come from a similar field, your skill set will be similar given few needed upgrades. But if you don't have any prior experience in the field with these departments, start small. Try to take small courses to learn more about this law field and then probably do a master's degree where you can learn and apply the knowledge. Once you have enough confidence in the subject and command on the required skill, start applying for bigger roles. Well, in the end, if you are righteous person, logical, have interest in legal system, are compassionate, have done a lot of voluntary work, then success as a lawyer should come easily to you, and this could be the right career for you. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. Really appreciate it. Please make sure to support my work by liking and sharing this video, and also subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon. Well, I will see you shortly with another amazing video on career, college admission, and living extraordinary. Till then, this is Shirish signing off. Bye-bye.